guys.
We're gonna make it taste.
It's not opening. Oh shoot. Hey, we got a popsicle.
Alright, now let's sizzle the popsicle, guys.
Let's sizzle the popsicle.
Let's sizzle this. Cooking with Christopher.
It's melting.
It's called Cooking with Christopher. I've never heard of it called Cooking with Christopher.
The egg.
Cooking with Christopher. No, add some seasoning, guys.
The egg's falling off the bed. Break it open.
You wanna add some seasoning? Let's go.
Oh no, my. It's still sizzling.
More sizzle. Here, more seasoning. More seasoning. First we got the cooking with me, and now we got the ASMR with me, and now we also.
Okay, guys, we gotta assemble the eggs now because they're boiled. I think
They're boiled. Okay, what about the melted seasoned popsicle?
the popsicle died. Rest in peace.
Okay.
Jeremiah, nobody cares about your
Do
math
not
problems.
disturb me.
Nobody cares about your math problems, Jeremiah.
Get on my show. Nuh-uh. Plus, I'm gonna make this button, and it's gonna totally cook, guys.
Okay, let's get the mixed up eggs. Nobody cares about your math problems, Jeremiah. Okay. Okay.
Okay. What else? What else?
End the cooking, guys. Okay. Now we're gonna put
Outro.
we're gonna put the
What's your
popsicle.
freaking outro?
Gotta cook the popsicle.
I said, what's your freaking stupid
Oh,
outro?